Real people. Judge Judy. Jazmine Kyle says ex-boyfriend Matthew Hollenbeck backed her car into a pole and refuses to pay for the damage.
Go ahead.
At the time of the accident, Your Honor, she was so nonchalant about it. She made it seem like because I had been helping her out, taking care of a child which isn't mine, and doing other in and out jobs for her, that we were somewhat even, and that we were in a...
No, I want you to tell me. I want you to tell me what she said to you. Don't tell me what you felt. I don't care about what you feel. I want you to tell me what she said to you after you backed into the pole and after you gave her the $150.
Like,
She said not to worry about it, that it would be taken care of.
I'm sorry, I'm not lying.
Shh, I don't mind. When did she say that to you?
After the incident occurred, I didn't initially give her the $150 right after the accident. We went to the birthday party, didn't discuss anything. Upon arriving back at my house after the party, we then discussed it.
Okay, so now what I want to hear is what you said to her and what she said to you.
She had discussed what she
No,
had
what
said.
she said.
What she had said is that she did not want to go through the insurance.
Okay, and what did you say?
I said it sounded like a good idea. If you didn't want to pay the additional $100 a month, paying the $600 would be valuable right now.
Well, you didn't know it was $600 then because you went to the birthday party and went home, so you didn't even have an estimate for $600, sir.
Correct, but I had an idea. I knew that a
Tell me when
$500
you're right.
deductible for the insurance at least.
I know. Listen to me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
You said 600. So what you have to do, Mr. Hollenbeck, is tell me the truth right from the first. Because if you tell the truth, you don't have to have a good memory. Because when you came home from the birthday party, you didn't have an estimate of $600.
Correct.
So she said to you, I don't want to go through the insurance. And what did you say to her?
I said, that's fine. That's your
And you
decision.
said that's fine.
That's your decision, it's your vehicle, yes.
And so that's what you said to her after you came home from the birthday party. It's your decision, it's your vehicle. And then what did you do?
We just went about our everyday activities.
What everyday activity did you go on after that? You had been to the party in the afternoon.
We just came home, kind of relaxed, watched movies with her son, watched cartoons and things of that nature. I mean, she kind of just took it as if it almost didn't happen.
Okay, and what happened later?
Later on, we started having problems in our relationship. After our relationship started falling apart is when she then started demanding money.
Well, when did you go for an estimate to have the car fixed, sir? You said you went with her.
Yeah, I believe we went probably 2 or 3 days after the incident got up.
Fine, so you went 2 or 3 days later.
Mm-hmm.
And I want you to tell me what the conversation was you had with Miss Kyle after you got the estimate for $600.
She says, I have the money to cover it. I said, you know, I did destroy the car. I can give you a little bit. And I gave her $150.
And?
And that was it. I mean...
Listen to me, Mr. Hollenbeck. From where did you pull the figure $150?
That's all that I could afford to give her.
Okay. Now, if you could have afforded to give her the $600, would you have given her the $600 then? Well, listen to me. I want you to think about what I'm saying before you get yourself all tongue-tied.
Mm-hmm.
If you could afford to have given her the $600, would you have given her the $600 to fix the car?
No.
So, I want you to explain to me why not.
Because of what I've done for her in terms of stepping in and being a father to her son. She stays at my house quite frequently. My mom does her laundry. She said, we'll just call it even.
Who said we'll call it even?
She did.
Oh, tell me when she said we'll call it even.
I mean, those weren't her exact words, but...
That's her, yeah. But she never said to you, we're going to call it even.
Judge Judy continues in a moment. Closed captioning sponsored by
At Progressive,